Good morning, 5K. Happy Friday. You made it to the end of the week. My loves, we're going to start off today doing our doubles wraps. I want you to say it with me. Ready? Here we go. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby. And we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. And 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. You got it. All right, my loves. I'm going to take this down. While I take this down, you need your packet, crayons, and a pencil. So I want you to take out your packet, your crayons, and a pencil. Please find these things and park them. Oh, and your name tag. So, packet, crayons, pencil, name tag. You're going to need those things. I'm going to take this down and I'm going to help you with the first part of our math facts. So your packet says Friday, my loves. Right behind Friday are the math facts that we're going to do together. All right, so I'm going to put mine on my clipboard. You are finding your math facts that says 38A. If you need help, ask your grown-up. I'm going to put mine on here. And what you can do is write your name at the top with your pencil. I'm going to use a marker so you can see. Write your name at the top very neatly. Awesome. All right. You should have your name at the top. And I want you to look here. You might be thinking, Mrs. Barch, these aren't doubles facts. No, they're not. You get some doubles down here at the bottom, but the ones I'm going to help you with are the adding one facts that we just learned the last 2 days of school. So in adding one fact, it means we just hop one to the next number. So I want you to have your name tag by you. I put it here so that you can see my paper and my name tag. We are going to do what these directions say. So it says 2 plus 1. So what do I need to do for 2 plus 1? Where should I start with my finger? Where should I hop? Yeah, I'm going to start at the number 2. So I want you to touch the number 2 on your name tag. And how many more am I hopping? What does it say? 1 more. So touch 2 and hop 1 more. 1. What number are we at? 3. Take your pencil and write the number 3. 2 and 1 more makes 3. Park your pencil. Let's do the next one. 7 plus 1. Where am I going to start? What number am I starting at? Yeah, I'm going to start at the 7. So touch the 7. Put your finger right underneath. Don't put it on top. You want to be able to see it. And how many more am I hopping? Yeah, 1 more. So 7 and hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are you at? 8. We're just going 1 more to the next number. So I want you to write a crazy 8. Please don't make 2 snowmen. If you made 2 snowmen, please erase it and try it again. All right, now we're going to do 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. Where am I going to start? Yeah, I'm going to start at number 9. So put your finger under number 9. And how many more am I hopping? Yeah, 1 more. So 9 and hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? That's the number 10. You have to know that's a number 10. Don't tell me a 1 and a 0. That's a 10. A 1 and a 0 is how you make it, but you need to know that's a 10. So I'm at number 10. Park your pencil. 4 plus 1. Where am I going to start for 4 plus 1? Yeah, I'm going to start at number 4. So touch number 4. And how many more am I hopping? 1 more. So 4. And I hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number am I at? Yeah, 5. Write a 5. Down and around. Give it a hat. Don't make it like an S. Make sure you're writing very neatly. I still take a handwriting grade for numbers. based upon your math facts, so be very careful. We know this one. Say it with me. It's a doubles. Two of the same number is a double. Ready? Go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yeah, take your pencil and you're going to write a 2. Your 2 should not look like an S either. It should have a little point down here. All right, 1 plus 6. My loves, here's something I'm going to tell you. Let's not start at the number 1 and hop 6 more. I always start at the bigger number because that's less work. It's easier. So start at the bigger number. So who's bigger, 1 or 6? Yeah, 6 is the bigger number. So we're going to start at 6. So touch number 6. And how many more are we hopping? 1. So 6 and hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? 7. So take your pencil, write the number 7. Park your pencil. 1 plus 3. Who's bigger, 1 or 3? Is a 1-year-old bigger or a 3-year-old? Yeah, 3-year-old. So we're going to touch number 3. How many more are we hopping? 1. Hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? 4. Take your pencil. You're going to write the number 4. Park your pencil. 1 plus 8. Where should we start? Who's bigger? Yeah, the number 8. So touch the number 8. How many more are we hopping? What number does it say? 1 more. So hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? 9. Take your pencil, a circle and a line. Park your pencil. 1 plus 0. So if I start at 1 and I don't move at all, what number am I still at? Yeah, I'm still at 1. Remember, you can cross off this 0 because it's like it's not even there. So the only number that's left is the number 1. So we just write the number 1. You got it. Park your pencil. 1 plus 5. Where are we going to start? Who's the bigger number? Yeah, 5. So I want you to touch the number 5. How many more are we hopping? Yeah, 1 more. So 5 and hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? 6. You got it. Write the number 6. Curly number 6. Make sure the curl's on the right side. If it's not, please erase it and redo it. My loves, you are going to finish these facts down here by yourself. These are the doubles facts. But I'm going to keep going. You're going to come back and do this. Okay? My loves, you did great with your adding 1 facts. Now, my loves, what I would like you to do is turn to the next page. You're going to finish this later. Turn to the next page. You see a baggie with colorful little squares in it and a graph. Here's what we're going to do today. I'm just going to set this down. Our student-friendly learning target is that you will sort to create. That means make a graph. So you are going to sort your squares by colors and then make a graph. I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So first, sort means we put all the colors that are the same together. So my loves, I want you to do this with me. You're going to pull this baggie off. Ready, go. I want you to put these 2 things down on the table. And I am going to scooch this so that you can see. Now, you cannot do this with me because I gave each one of you a different amount of colors. So all of your graphs are going to be different. So you need to graph your pieces on the graph according to the ones that I gave you. So I just want you to watch what I do for right now. You have your graph, you have your pieces. Wait till I tell you to go. You're just watching me. Here's what you're going to do. You are going to take out your pieces and you're going to put them all the same color together. So watch me. Yellow, pink. I'm not going to put pink by the yellow. No, no, no. This is a new color. It gets a new row. Here's another pink. My yellows go together. Green. So I can't put it by yellow or by pink. Nope, I got to start a new row. Okay, green. Here's some more yellow. See how I'm putting all my yellow together, all my pink together. Blue. Oh, I got to start a new one. Green. Pink. Oh, I don't have any red yet. I got to start a new red row. green. Oh, I don't have any black yet either. Black, ooh, more pink, and more pink, and more pink. Ooh, I got a lot of pink. And a blue. Oh, and here's some more red. So do you see how I sorted all of my colors? Do you see how I did that? My loves, what I want you to do now is I want you to pause my video and I want you to sort your squares. You will have different numbers. You might only have one yellow. You might have only two pink. You might have a lot of black or a lot of green or a lot of blue. That's okay. I gave each one of you a different color because I wanted each one of you to practice sorting different amounts of squares so that all of your graphs are different. I wrote down how many of each color square that you have, okay? So I want you to sort your squares. My loves, pause me and I want you to sort them like I did mine. Okay, pause me. All right, my loves, now that you have all your squares sorted, what I want you to do is watch me. We're going to color a graph that matches our squares. So I'm going to turn this around so that you can see it, okay? I'm going to start with the color I have first. I have yellow. So I'm going to take out my yellow. You are just watching me. Don't do it yet. I'm going to take out my yellow. You're just watching. I'm going to count how many yellow I have. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to make 4 yellow on my graph. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to mark off 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now I'm going to color these 4. All right. I'm going to go to the next color. You're just watching me. You are not coloring it to look like my graph. Your graph will not look like mine. If it looks like mine, I know you didn't follow the directions. My next color is pink. How many pink do I have? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to mark off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I ran out of space. I can just draw another one up here. 6. Now I'm going to color these 6 to match how many pink squares I have. If you have an extra one, you can just have your grown-up help you, like I just drew an extra one. We do that in school too. If you were here, you would be using pattern blocks to sort and make a graph. All right. Then I'm going to do my green. So I'm going to take out my green. You're still watching me. I'm going to count how many. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to mark off 3, starting at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to color those 3. Ooh, my graph looks really cool. I can tell right now who has the most. So when I look at my graph, I can tell that pink has the most, yellow has the second most, and then green has the least right now. I got to keep coloring. All right, so then I'm going to do blue. How many blue do I have? 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm going to mark off 1, 2, 3. I'm going to color those. Ooh, I see a tie. Now my next color is red. Do you see how I'm taking my time and coloring in the lines? I want you to do that too. How many red do I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I mark off 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to color those 3. Okay. Awesome. Then all I need is black. How many black squares do I have? Yeah, just 1. So I'm going to mark off 1. And I'm going to color that 1. All right, my loves, what you're going to do now is you are going to color your graph to match your squares, just like I did mine. You're going to start at the bottom and you're going to color up. And then I want you to tell your grown-up which color has the most, who has the second most, who has the least. If there's any ties, look at, I see a tie. Green, blue, and red have a tie. Yours are going to be different than mine. All right, so I want you to color your graph according to how you sorted, because then we did meet our target, didn't we? We got to where we wanted to be. We wanted to sort our colors to make a graph, and we did that to see which color has the most. So my loves, you are going to graph your colors. So pause me, and then when you push play, I'm going to take you through the worksheet. So have fun coloring your graph. I can't wait to see it. Push pause right now. All right, my loves, I cannot wait to see your graphs that you made. My loves, you're going to turn to the next page. We're going to do our worksheet together. It looks like this, 38A. I have my big one up. What I want you to do is write your name at the top and then stop. You should still have your crayons out. You're writing your name at the top and then stop. What number do you see at the top of the page here? Remember, I told you if you don't know to say it that special way where we say the numbers together. My turn first. A 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 make 35. Make 35. This is the number 35. A 3 and a 5 makes 35. I want you to trace your two 35s, and then you're going to make them 2 times. Be very neat and careful. Go. Make sure your 3 touches both of those lines. And your 5 goes straight down around, and then a straight hat on top. I will give you time to write that. And then what do we need between the 3 and the 5? I'm going to give you time to write it. I know I write a little bit faster than you do. Yeah, we need a line, don't we? So make a line between the 3 and the 5. Which number is in the tens place, the 3 or the 5? Who's in the tens place? Yeah, the 3. The 3 is in the tens place. 10 starts with the letter T. T says T. So I want you to make a T. Which number is in the ones place? Yeah, the 5. So we're going to write an O because O starts the word 1. Please park your pencil. It says, I'm going to scoot you a little bit closer so you can see. It says Mariel had 10 pennies. All right, what should we do if she had 10 pennies? Yeah, let's draw those 10 pennies. So take your pencil. I want you to whisper count as you draw them. Don't count out loud, whisper count. So when we come back, you know what to do right away, okay? 10 pennies, whisper count, go. 1, 2, not too big. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you're done, park your pencil. What I would like you to do is double check to make sure you have 10. So take your finger, count with me. You should have 10. Count on your paper, not mine. Touch and count yours. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have 10, give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Then it says, you don't have your pencil in your hand. It says she lost 3 pennies. Oops. She must have been trying to hold them all in her hand or something. She lost 3 of them. What are we going to do to show that she lost 3? Yeah, we need to cross them off. Are we going to start at the front or the back? You got it. We're going to start at the back. So take your pencil, cross off 3 at the back. 1, 2, 3. Then, park your pencil. The directions say draw a picture. Say we did that. Yeah, we did. And write a number sentence to show the number of pennies she has now. Okay, let's write our number sentence. We have to write first how many she started with. How many pennies did she start with? Do you remember? If you don't, we can go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She started with 10, so take your pencil. How do we write a 10? A 1 first and then a 0. What sign do we need? Are we drawing a plus or a minus? A minus because she lost some. Minus. How many did she lose? How many pennies did she drop? Yes, we crossed off 3. She lost 3 pennies. So you're going to write a 3. 10 minus 3 equals, how many does she have left? Park your pencil. Let's count. How many does she have left? Touch and count yours with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take your pencil. You're going to write a 7. She has 7 pennies left. How many pennies does Mario have now? We're going to write it again. 7. Awesome. My loves, you need to take out your red, yellow, and blue. Take out your red, yellow, and blue. I need these 3 colors, my sweets. When you have red, yellow, and blue, you can park them on the table. And we're just going to listen instead of putting crayons in our hands, because if we have things in our hands, then our hearing doesn't work so well. So make sure that you have nothing in your hands so you can listen to this direction carefully. Look at the towers on your paper. It says point to the tallest tower. This is kind of like our graph we just did when you had to look at who had the tallest and you told your grown-up who had the tallest. Which one of these towers is the tallest? I told you to point to it. This one. You need to take your red. Color the tallest tower red. Color this one red. Take your time and stay in the lines. Coloring neatly helps you to have good handwriting too. It all goes together, my loves. That's how God made us. Moving your hand carefully to color helps you to write neatly when you have to move your hand slowly to write. When you're done, you can park your red. And you need your finger. It says point to the second tallest tower. Who's the second tallest? I hope you're pointing to this one. It's not this one. There's still a tower taller. This is the second tallest. This tower is going to be yellow. So take your yellow. We're going to color this tower yellow. It is the second tallest. You're coloring slowly and neatly. I am too. I need to focus too, even though I'm a grown-up. All right. When you are done with your yellow, you can park your yellow. And you can have your finger ready, and it says color the shortest tower blue. Who is the shortest? Which one of these that are left is the shortest? Point to it. Now this cute little guy, we're going to color him blue. So take your blue. This little guy's blue. All right. When you are done, you can put your colors away. You don't need them anymore. My loves, what you're going to do is you are going to do the math facts at the bottom all by yourself. So you are going to do these +1 facts and then these 3 doubles facts all by yourself. When you are done, please have your grown-up upload a picture of your math facts that you finished. You have to finish them today, 38A. Please have them upload a picture of your graph. And please have them upload the math paper that we just did, 38A, with these finished. Okay, my loves, I love you. I'm proud of you. Thank you for your hard work, and you have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Mwah.